So this is a video on how to use coredump files in vscode. So here we have this broken app that when we run it, it does a segfault and a core file has been generated. And so for vscode, it's going to use GDB under the hood. So if you were to load it directly with GDB, you would do something like this. GDB broken app core.1621. And here, this is where the segfault actually occurred. Okay, and to make it work in VS Code, you have to install this C++ extension. In my case, I already have a launch JSON, but you'll see an option here to create one. And it's just a normal GDB launch configuration, except you'll need to specify a core dump path. And you may also have to specify the architecture. So here, because it's specifying the same core file we looked at with GDB, we can click run. And we have the same access to the variables we saw with GDB. In this case, because I have the source code, it also found it automatically, but you don't necessarily need the source code because you might not necessarily have access to it in these cases. That's all I wanted to show. Thanks. Bye.